Alright, so now we're back. We got our puller here set up. I've put the bolt into this socket just to give us a little bit more leverage. It looks like we'll have just enough room to put our socket. I believe it's a 1/2 inch. Let's see. Yep, 1/2 inch. And we'll see how long it takes to get this portion popped off. Once this is done, we can get the put it on the mower jack and start getting the spindles actually off of the motor. So hopefully this goes as easily as the other side. We'll see. So liquid persuadant. So with a longer extension here, we'll see how this works. You can see it's already pulling pretty well, actually. I'm really surprised. Just watch the socket, you'll see it start to climb. Going a lot easier than I thought. So that's always nice. I'll argue with that. Alright, so there's that portion. Thankfully, with the way the shoulder is, we're going to have to clean all that. But there's our shaft there. We're all done. There's your pulley. There's our sleeve expansion. We'll get this key out, or we might just leave it there. It probably will be easier to leave the key there. So give me a few minutes. We'll set up the mower jack and get these zipped off. Up we go. Obviously, you gotta get the blades off first. We're gonna take a brush, the bolts here for the spindle. Looks like they're 9/16. Also looks like I need some new blades. Alright, now you can come with me. Right after we drop it. Now it would be easier to go ahead and just zip these off with the air compressor. But I'm not sure what the status of these bolts is, so I'd rather not. Hold your face. Wait a second. Give you a scrape first. So we'll probably just do some old-fashioned whatever ratcheting and see if we can get it that way. compared to breaking something with the air compressor. Although that would definitely be the easiest. So just clean these off. Make sure you're going to spray them with some PB Blaster. See if that helps any. Hold your eyes. Alright. Yeah, look at that. It was right. 9/16. The carriage bolts on top, so which is really nice of Wright to do. So you've got spray to this side here. So they've got a flat bottom. Well, you know how the carriage bolt works. It's a round top, and then it's flat. Alright, so the top is already loose, so these will just basically drop out once we get our nuts off here. I'm working in the afternoon here, so if I can get all this apart, get these off, take them apart. Thankfully, Wright Standard. That was tight. Wright Standard, if you go to the website, you can search up these parts with their parts diagram. Basically, you just need maybe a part name, but your serial number of your mower will be the best help, to your search. You got one carriage bolt spinning here. That's not cool. Huh. No, that's not gonna be good. Alright. I have to tighten all this back up so we can work on him first. So we'll tighten this back on. Now I'm feeling on the top and it's back in its position. We'll try to pull it back off here and see what it does. May have to use a specific vice grips on it, perhaps. Keep it, or maybe do it at an angle here so it won't spin. Because that's what it keeps doing. It keeps spinning. Well, let's see. Let's try dropping these, and the weight of the spindle may help us with this, with that stubborn bolt. We'll see. Obviously, once we'll clean these bolts up and seize them as well, and hopefully have to not worry about taking it off. Again, we'll see. Got one almost. Alright, there's one. There you go. One nice carriage bolt. Good idea. There's another one. That one's still stuck up inside. It's okay. Oh, steady. Always gotta be one. Yep. Clean it off a little bit, maybe that'll help, I don't know. That's the vice grip. So we got our vice grips lightly on here. We will see if that makes much of a difference. My hand here. It might spin, unfortunately. Yeah, spin on top of the. Alright, we're going to pause it there, and I'll let you know. That's what it takes to get both of these off.